I always thought about just kind of like weaseling my way through until I kind of found a place I liked. And I know that's not the right thing to do. And I'm so happy I didn't, because I wouldn't be where I am today if I went down that path and chose to do that.
It can be very intimidating at 18 years old to go into your first job, and we are placing them in entry-level jobs, but some of our ramp participants, they've never worked before. So this micro-credential training at Clinton Community College really helps them build their confidence.
You need to put in the extra foot forward and the effort in order to succeed, especially so young, and you will succeed with the ramp counselors watching over your shoulder, making sure you're making the right moves, doing the right things.